Ready for a fresh start in 2015 that only God can do? Get ready. Higher Living is changing lives and impacting the communities in 2015. Join us for our New Year's Eve celebration service on Wednesday, December 31st, 8 p.m. at the Mount Carmel campus for a life-changing experience. Come and witness as God meets the needs of individuals and families within our congregation and the community. If you are in need of a fresh start in 2015, participate in our Fresh Start program by submitting an application and required documentation no later than Sunday, December 14th, 2 p.m. This program is designed for Higher Living members and non-members. You must be present on December 31st to receive any designated awards. There are 3 convenient ways to submit your application. Email to info@higherliving.org, fax to 678-479-6274, or submit completed applications in the secure drop boxes at all 3 locations. All Fresh Start applications are due no later than Sunday, December 14th at 2 p.m. For more information, stop by the main lobby or download your application by going to www.higherliving.org. Receive a refreshing that can only come from God. Don't miss this life-changing moment on Wednesday, December 31st, 8 p.m.